He's gonna be doing like a light.
Huh?
I'm not putting pressure.
Yeah.
It's like wherever it, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. You want me to hold that? I'll hold that.
Yeah. Doesn't look.
Charm. This is definitely going to be the trickiest one. Just, you gotta find like the right tension to pull on it, and then it like kind of, yeah. It's gonna put its like tension. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah. There's a plastic thing that clips in there.
That will, yeah.
As long as this looks smooth on the outside around it, basically.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Here's the wrinkle. You see that?
Yeah, it's gonna. We have to
Oh,
peel that back.
later.
I just don't want to peel it too far because once we get off this, it's gonna be really hard. I can't imagine having to do it like with a new piece that you have to like put back on.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you have to cut one, like let's say you want to change the color.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm gonna get you some water. I think you should drink some.
Look at it.